Swing in Seattle, Lindy Hop 3, a better version, week number 3. We took a look at this hand-to-hand transition. So first we did a swing out and then we switched the hands going. Swing out, triple step, 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 down, kick and a triple step, kick and a triple step, kick and a triple step, kick and a triple, then kick. Step, step, and rock, step. We also reviewed our top turn, o-da-ki-da, Leaders opening it up a bit more.
Followers, rock, step, right, left, right, left.
So that looks like o-da-ki-da, e, and there we go. And we also had our transition here with our Charleston letting it travel. Rock, step, come on in. Rock, step, kick, step, left, turn, left, right, turn, left, right, and down, out, and there we go. Week number 3. Thank you.